Hey, hello guys, and this is a short video I'm doing to show you what I did for cable management. So I use this kind of product. First of all, I use this hook and loop fastener cable tie. It wasn't really expensive, and also this hook and loop cable wrap, which if you are going to cut it, it's going to unravel, so that's not very good. So that's a small problem I had. And for the table I used this kind of screw in loop, and I used the cable tie to attach the wires to this metal part, and then I use this kind of wrap to make them look a little bit cleaner. So it's not the best, but it keeps the dog from, my dog likes to be here, so it keeps the wires out of it, the dog. So that's pretty much what I did, and it's a cheap hack for how to arrange your cables maybe. I hope this was helpful. See ya.